Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel, and I could not even wait till I got home to show you this. I found Shadow High, Rainbow High dolls in Walmart for this price. We are in Walmart. They have Shadow High for $22, and I'm picking out one of each. And I bought one of each plus, well, a couple of extra. Do I wish I would have got 2 full sets? Well, you know how money goes. And there might also be some Barbies in here, 3. And I also got a Pacific Coast. So we're going to be telling you more about these and doing unboxings very soon. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Leave a comment. Which of the Shadow Highs are you planning on buying? And please subscribe.